So, why do you think this speech is so famous? One of the reasons I think it's so famous is because it reminds us about the sacrifices that people have made to keep this country together and to free African Americans who were slaves at that time. So, let's get into revising and editing. For your project, I put in Teams an assignment where you are going to check off a list of things that you need to check for to make sure that your project is as perfect as possible. There are 4 categories. You're going to check for capital letters, spelling, punctuation, and clarity. I want you to make sure that you take your time and you read with your finger and you read slowly so that you are catching all of your mistakes. Because sometimes when we read our writing to ourselves in our heads, our brains are so smart that they read faster than our eyes. And so our brains will fill in the mistakes that we don't catch on paper. So even though we're fixing it in our brains, the mistake is still in the paper. And so somebody else might read it and they will see the mistake. So you have to catch it. So I'm going to show you how to do this. During my model, I want you to count how many times I read over my writing to catch those mistakes. Okay, how many times am I reading over the writing to catch my mistakes?